Wow, absolutely amazing, guys. Doesn't get much better than that. So it's about 6:15 right now, sunrise. I just left my house about 35 minutes ago and it was snowing there. Like, I mean, it was snowing hard there. I don't know what's going on in Colorado right now, guys. It's April, it's like mid-April. We had a blizzard 2 days ago. Still have snow left over. It got warm yesterday up to like almost 50 degrees, started melting all that snow. Woke up this morning and it's snowing again. Drove out to my pond to go fishing and it's nice. I mean, it's not bad out. I mean, it's cold. It's like 32 degrees, but it's not snowing. So let's go fishing, guys. I didn't bring the kayak because I thought it was gonna be snowing here. So I was just gonna do a foot mission. So we're on foot. I'm gonna grab some poles, grab some gear, and let's go see if we can catch us some pre-spawn bass, guys. Well, guys, it's definitely chilly. Like I said, about 32 degrees. I didn't bring my kayak. I'm just gonna be on foot today. Tied on a couple baits. I got 4 poles with me. And I'm mainly just gonna fish this bank on this side, so I didn't bring a whole lot of gear or anything. I just got my poles. 2 chatterbaits on, a jig, and a jerk bait. Oh, don't eat crap. Oh, great. Nice first cast. I don't know what happened there. Like committed and then stopped. Well, here comes that snow. Just barely coming down. So I'm just moving down the bank. I got the chatterbait right now. I'm just slow rolling it like I was doing the other day. Seeing if I can get some bites off the bank. I'm just kind of making bomb cast. Damn. Does that tree look like it got struck by lightning? Because it certainly does to me. I don't know how a beaver would have ate that thing in half right there. Woo! It's cold. My hands are freezing. I got some layers on, so I'm not bad, but my hands are cold. Forgot my gloves. My chatterbait's up in a tree. That sucks. That was like my favorite chatterbait right there. I'm almost tempted to climb that tree and try to get it. I freaking spooled up my reel. It bird nested bad. I went to cast like this way and I just nicked that tree and it just ruined it. Oh, it's about to happen, guys. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. I need to freaking tighten my drag. Holy cow. There we go. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Stay down. Stay down. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes! Yes! That is what we came here for. Look how thick that fish is. They are in pre-spawn feeding mode. I mean, just look at the girth of that thing. All right, guys. Fish number 1 of the morning. It's only been about 20-30 minutes and I have like 2 to 3 hours, so it might be a good day, guys. All right, first one of the morning. I'd say normally that fish is probably like maybe 2 pounds, but that's definitely a 3-pounder right now. Definitely a 3-pounder right now. Sick. Let's catch some more, guys. I'm just messing up left and right this morning. Got a chatterbait stuck in the tree. Got a chatterbait stuck in these trees down here. I couldn't get that one off, so I broke off. I had to run back to the car, tie a new one on. I know if I catch one that's like 18, 19 inches, it's just gonna be an absolute beast. Because that one was maybe like 16, 17 inches, and that was like a 3-pounder. All right, guys, day number 2, back at it again. Only caught the one fish yesterday, kind of struggled throughout the rest of the day, but I'm back this morning. It's not snowing, but it's still pretty cold. So let's get out there. Let's see if we can catch some more, guys. Well, almost 2 hours down, no fish. I think this cold weather kind of threw these fish in a weird funk. They probably dropped their water temps and they're like, what the heck's going on? It's almost spawning time and it's cold. There we go. Nice fish. On the dock. Yes. 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 Oh my God, yes. I have been fishing for 2 hours, guys. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm so glad I came over to the dock. Oh, my heart is beating, guys. Yes. Oh, I fished from the car. I fished all the way down, all the way back, all the way around. I was getting ready to leave. I was like, that dock is just looking too good not to go hit with the jig. Black and blue jig, crawl trailer, guys. Yes. 2 days, 2 bites, but both nice fish. This one's probably about 3.5, almost 4 pounds. Let's go ahead and get this fish back in the water. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Colorado Bass. Please click that like and subscribe button, guys. Let's go ahead and get this fish out of here. Right back to her dock.